seat. That's right.
Ah. So you're going to ride in the car with Annie. Wow.
Oh.
Just as well, Mummy and Daddy have got a big car.
Do you mind if I eat my sandwich?
No. Look at the baby. Will you take that away? Oh, thanks, darling. You used to enjoy running up and down your hallway a lot.
You're getting a shot of it coming.
Bubby.
Yeah, look, he's here now, yeah? Do you know where the baby's nose is? Nose. Good girl.
Hey?
Yeah, where's his ears? Clever girl. Can you see his gently? Touch gently. Oh. Can we give him a kiss? Can we give a smile with it? Kiss. Oh, good girl. Lovely kiss.
Bubby.
Yeah, that's the Bubby's car seat.
This.
He can sit next to you in your big car seat. Oh dear. I think I might have to give him a feed. Yeah, but hungry.
Bubby.
Yeah, I think the Bubby might be hungry.
Bubby. Bubby.
He's our Bubby. His baby Fletcher. Oh, I need to give him a feed. Do you want to come and sit on the sofa with me?